Hi, it's Belle. I wanted to run you through a quick tutorial on how to join a Zoom meeting. So Zoom is like a virtual space or office space or meeting room where we can have face-to-face conversations remotely. So in your email, you would have received a link to send you to this page, but if for some reason you can't find that, the link is uh, www.us04web.zoom.us. So that link should be in an email that was sent to you. And once you get onto that page, you will come to their homepage here. So from here, we want to go to join a meeting on the menu bar here. And once you're in here, this is where you put in your meeting ID or the meeting room number, which is, you can sort of think of it like a PIN number to get into the room. So the number was sent to you in your email. If for some reason you can't find that, the room meeting ID number is 524-234-1742. 524-234-1742. And you hit join. Now that will load and bring up a new page and a little pop-up that says open Zoom meeting. So you want to press yes, click that. From there, this is the Zoom meeting room. So you want to open that up so it's your full screen. Your picture will be there or your name. You will need to hit the unmute button and the start video button so we can, one, hear you, and two, see you. And you will see all the other participants, if there's other participants in our Zoom chat in this meeting room here. And that's it. And at the end, you can press and leave meeting. And that is how you join a Zoom meeting with Trailblazers. And I'll see you in there soon. Bye-bye.